Sawadee krap. Today I am here with Thomas and let's try some noodles.
Yeah, Martin, it's much better than the durian.
Yeah, better than the
I like
durian,
noodles. I like noodles, but I'm afraid what's gonna come later because,
Kue Tiaow.
guys, because of you, we have some very, very, very strange idea what to eat.
Yes นั่นแหละ สวัสดีครับกินก๋วยเตี๋ยวหรือครับมีอะไรครับมีเส้น
มีหมูกับเนื้อค่ะ
หมูกับเนื้อแล้วก็มีลวดไหมครับลวดมีไหมครับมันก๋วยเตี๋ยวน้ำตกไม่มี
มีน้ำตก
อ๋ออันนี้เป็นมีลวดใช่ไหมครับ
ใช่
โอเค you want blood Thomas
No.
โอเค
No
แกเอา
Thomas
ก๋วยเตี๋ยว
don't want
น้ำตก
any blood
สองครับกับเนื้อ
เนื้อ
ใช่ครับ
เป็นอะไรคะพี่
เส้น
เล็ก เล็กหมี่บะหมี่
what do you want like eggs the big one or the small one
Doesn't matter. You choose.
เอาบะหมี่ครับ
บะหมี่
บะหมี่
เนื้อสองนะคะ
ใช่ครับ
พูดไทยติด
โอ้อยู่ประเทศไทยนานครับ ว้าวมีเรือเยอะแยะ
Huh?
ครับ
ใส่น้ำตกไหมคะ
ใช่ครับใส่เยอะแยะครับ
โอเค
looks good yeah Thai noodle
Looks
soup
amazing.
yeah
Do you know
Kue Tiaow
How you recognize Falang who live long in Thailand, long time?
how do you recognize
Like this.
อ๋อใส่พริกเยอะแยะไอ้เหี้ย
Pet. Alloy.
มาก
Alloy. I love spicy.
yeah
That's how you recognize Falang who live way too long in Thailand.
ใส่
And I like this one. What is this? A vinegar thing?
ปลาเหรอ
No.
อู้
มีใส่พริกด้วย
ใส่พริกเยอะครับ
Yes. Yes.
มี
Let's go.
มีตะเกียบไหม
Huh?
ตะเกียบ
What is
โอเค
that?
ครับตะเกียบ chopstick
Is takia this chopstick?
อ่าฮะ
See, I didn't know that.
ครับผมครับ
Technical break. Hello. Okay, office. Business.
business
Let's
alright
go.
so let's try it out I
Vamos.
order the one without blood no blood for you
Thank you, Martin. Thank you for being so kind to me today. But this is lovely. I love this.
yeah
It's both noodles, right? Basically.
yeah both noodles ก๋วยเตี๋ยวหรือ
Let's go. Oh, it's
try the soup ลองซุปก่อน
delicious.
อร่อยใช่ไหมอร่อยไหม
Wow, this is good.
You know what I told her
What?
to put a lot of blood that's why it's black that's why you should learn Thai
This Spanish cabron.
enjoy นะครับ
I will destroy all my appetite.
he was hungry but yeah I told her like ใส่เรือเยอะ
Sat.
ๆ you have to learn Thai Thomas
No. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's
but
good.
it's tasty yeah the blood makes it so good but yeah I like the blood taste it tastes like the black sauces kind of thing
I don't really. I mean,
you smell it it can smell like blood you smell it
Martin, if I'm gonna have a problem in my stomach,
it's okay
but it's delicious.
this is one of my favorite Thai foods ก๋วยเตี๋ยว
Mine too.
เรือแล้วก็น้ำตก
Mine too.
There is also these vegetables that you can just put in there, like soy and
I have enough blood inside.
no more vegetable, yeah?
No. I mean, this is good. The sprouts.
soy, yeah.
What is
Soy.
it? Soybeans or?
Soy sprout or whatever. I don't know the name in English. Maybe let me know in the comments what is the name. Thomas, why did you come to Thailand? Tell me the truth.
I come here. I come in for the modeling contract, and then
Model contract, yeah?
like a way ago, and I was traveling the world, and I was every month in a different city, and one of the contracts was here, and I love the country. I fell in love with the city, with the vibe, with the energy, with the people here, and I decided I wanna have a home somewhere. Since I was always changing the place as a model,
Yeah.
I was everywhere and nowhere same time. So I choose to come to stay in Bangkok, and I'm here ever since. I just love the people here, the food,
Food is great, yeah?
except durian.
So durian. What else you don't like? How about rat? Do you want to try rat with me? Ah, that is on the script.
โอ้โห Nope. But maybe if you guys want to see it.
This video has how many views? For Tomas
now
to
it's-
try rat. How many views do you want?
This video, if it has a million,
If it has 1 million views, Tomas is going to กินหนูผ้า Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse,
Mickey Mouse.
you should not eat Mickey Mouse. You should watch Mickey Mouse any TV, but not eat Mickey Mouse. Bro, what's wrong with? What's wrong? I don't want to eat Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is narak mak. It's not a food.
เสพไหม Mickey Mouse เสพไหม
Yes, but you should not kill Mickey Mouse.
สวัสดีครับ เอาส้มตำไทยครับ เอาเป็ด
Pet mak. Or pet. Hello, I need all the chili, please, inside. That's how you eat it. Thai style.
How many
What?
How many chilies
It's okay. Yeah.
เอาเยอะมากครับพี่ ได้ไหมครับ อันนี้อะไรผงชูรสใช่ไหมครับ
Can I see? The chili smell is
ไอพริกเยอะมากครับ
it gets to you.
โอเคเราใส่มะนาวครับผมโทมัสเล่นภาษาไทยมะนาว
Manao, I know it's Manao. It's lime. I know that
Yeah,
much.
very good.
It already looks.
How do you say tomato? Do you know?
No.
Ask him.
You ask him.
Muakratet.
How?
Muakratet.
Oh, that's so complicated.
Muakratet.
Martin, where did you learn all this stuff?
Uh,
And this is Nam Tam Maprao, coconut sugar. I live in
I-
Thailand for a long
I-
time.
I know
I think it's
Maprao.
coconut
Maprao
sugar.
is
อ๋อไม่ใช่เนาะ อันนี้คืออะไรนะน้ำตำมะพร้าวไม่ใช่
no.
ใช่ yeah coconut sugar
Really?
yeah
Ah.
อ๋ออันนี้ yeah palm sugar
Palm sugar.
make a little bit sweet. Yeah, it's like sweet, sour,
Everything.
and
Mm.
sour and spicy.
Like
One
Martin.
เปรี้ยวเผ็ด
Huh?
One เปรี้ยวis
One priao.
เปรี้ยว is
เปรี้ยว
soury.
One priao pet.
ใช่ครับผม Yeah, he mixed the ingredients first, and then
Yes.
later he will add the papaya.
Actually, it's such a simple dish, and it's like the most famous one in Thailand. Like,
more than pad thai, yeah. More
yes,
than pad thai,
for sure,
definitely.
100%. Like pad Thai, like I don't really met Thai person who would say like pad Thai is number one.
It's only tourists.
Only tourists
Only the tourists,
think
yeah.
like pad Thai, but actually it's 99% is Som Tam, maybe pad kapao
ใช่ครับ
or something like that. But definitely Som Tam is like
number one.
Number one, really. It's papaya salad.
Yeah, papaya salad, som tam. One of Thomas' favorite Thai foods, I would say.
Yeah, I love Som Tam.
ใช่ชิมโทมัสชิมเลย
What's that?
ชิม try
Try to chim.
ชิม is like just to try if you
Okay.
like the is it good
Woo!
เผ็ดไหม
Very good. I love it, Mark. It has everything. It's literally like spicy, sweet, savory. Oh, and it's extremely spicy. Like,
you know how it's gonna be funny? He doesn't have a bowl, so we'll have
oh,
to
you eat it like from the
oh yeah
Oh, yeah.
okay ได้อยากกินเลยสุดยอดครับ
fire.
really good can't wait to try it and then he will put
Some
some
crunchies.
tua.
What is that?
That is a small dried
I don't like
shrimps.
that. No.
He already put it.
Okay, I just
don't
eat
eat
from
it.
the side. Okay.
And then later some tua.
Peanuts?
Peanuts, yeah. We call it tua. He's a professional.
Som Tam. This is
Som Tam
how the
Thai.
Som Tam should look like.
Now take a look, guys. This is made in Thailand.
Made in Thailand. Original Som Tam. And
Yeah.
it's
ครับ
so spicy. I will tell you first. it's gonna burn your mouth,
Yeah.
then later it's gonna burn your ass.
Exactly.
That's how you know it's a good Som Tam. Let me.
Oh, so spicy.
Woo!
แซ่บแซ่บแซ่บแซ่บ
Wait, I eat them. I eat them.
The lady say I am also แซ่บ
You accept too? This is a good Som Tam, guys. This is a great Som Tam.
It's really good.
And if you really want to do like Thai people, they do like this. They eat and they go like, oh ho, อร่อย
โอ้โหอร่อยอร่อย
โอ้โหก็เผ็ดมากอร่อยครับ
อร่อยอร่อยน้องดันอยู่ที่นี่ทุกวันไหมครับ
It's a spicy
ทุกวัน
dance.
เวลากี่โมงครับ
ประมาณนี้ครับ
ประมาณนี้ เราก็ปิดร้านปิดกี่โมงครับ
3 ทุ่มครับ
3 ทุ่มอร่อยอร่อยเรากลับมาอีกแซ่บแซ่บครับชิมไหมชิมด้วยไหม
เผ็ดมาก
แซ่บ
เผ็ด
บ่
เผ็ด
เผ็ด
โอ้ย
แซ่บพี่ดี
แซ่บแล้ว
แซ่บกระโดดกระเดียก
แซ่บผมบอล
ชิมไหมชิมไหมครับ
กินทุกวันเลยครับผม
ทุกวันโอเคครับ
It's fucking spicy.
So it's spicy. I don't think I can finish it.
No way.
เซฟโลกันเดียว
I will be dying
Really
after.
good. I know, man. If I get the rats, we just bring them here and somebody will grill for us. It will be so viral. Imagine.
Yeah, okay. Oh my god.
ชิมด้วยไหมมาชิมสิชิมไหมแซ่บครับแซ่บกระโดดกระเดียกแซ่บกระโดดกระเดียกชิมไหมชิมไหมฟรีด้วยนะไม่ชิมแล้วเหรอกินอะไรมากินอยู่
This should be the what is it called? The thumbnail.
The
Can you?
thumbnail.
Can you? Can you? She basically said he asked her what she ate, and she said, "I want to eat you." That's Thailand also, but it's nice. People, the interaction with people here is so
I am
genuine.
dying, Thomas. I cannot eat more.
I'm burning. Oh.
แต่มากครับพี่ ให้กินปริกนะ
ไอ้ประมาณ
10เหรอ
Like it's so spicy.
เจ็ด
Like you get dizzy.
10 He said like around 10. I'm dying, man.
What's up, Martin?
I'm dying. I need to get some water.
And I get Martin back now. What's up, bro?
I'm dying, man. Nice and chili.
That's for the durian.
Let's,
That's for the durian.
I will pay first. เท่าไหร่ครับ
What's up, bro?
60 บาท 60 บาท that's like 1.5 US dollars ครับกับบุงครับพี่
ครับผม
อร่อยมากครับ
Pet mark. But you know,
I need water
in the water is even worse, bro. You know that?
really
Get some. What is it?
maybe like a juice from there
Yeah,
I need
or like
I need something you want something
like if they have, I don't know.
I need some water hold on
Did you pay him already? This one?
yeah pay already โอ้เป็ดมากโอ้มันเป็ดมากให้10 ปรีกนะ เอาครับผมมันเป็ดมากครับพี่ I'm dying Thomas I need water you want one more ถ้าวันนึงก็ได้ โอเคครับ I need water man
Thank you.
I'm dying
But
with
water is worse.
this. I don't think so
Yes, you drink it, and now you wait. Now you wait,
it's good man
and now
Water is
take it.
good.
Now take a deep breath with your mouth. Yeah.
It's good it's better than before I was dying
How?
wow 10 chiles.
I'm actually sweating. Sweating little Jesuses.
Thai food.